One mistake can feel like it derails everything, whether it's an unexpected loan, a costly purchase, or a failed venture. The key isn't dwelling on regret. It's taking deliberate steps to rebuild, adjust, and learn. With a clear plan, disciplined action, and realistic goals, even a single setback can be turned into an opportunity to strengthen finances and come back stronger than before. Today, we will talk about how to recover financially after one bad decision. Car, loan, business loss. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Accept the reality without shame. The first step in financial recovery is accepting the situation without panic or shame. Whether it's a car purchase that drained savings, a high-interest loan, or a failed business venture, denial and guilt prevent constructive action. Beginners often dwell on regret, thinking the mistake defines their future financial stability. The truth is, one bad decision doesn't ruin your finances permanently. It only creates a temporary setback if handled strategically. Acceptance allows you to move from emotional reaction to practical problem solving. Avoid blaming yourself excessively. Instead, focus on the actionable steps to regain control. Understanding that recovery is possible shifts your mindset from fear to empowerment, laying the groundwork for deliberate financial decisions moving forward. This mental reset is the foundation for all subsequent recovery strategies. 2. Assess the damage objectively. Next, quantify the impact of the mistake. List all affected areas: money lost, debts incurred, and obligations added. For a car, calculate depreciation, loan obligations, and maintenance costs. For a failed business, tally investments, outstanding debts, and operational costs. Beginners often underestimate the damage or fail to document it comprehensively, which leads to repeated errors. Use spreadsheets, apps, or AI-powered finance tools to track losses accurately. Understanding the exact scope and allows you to prioritize actions, allocate resources efficiently, and prevent further financial harm. Objectivity replaces anxiety with clarity and ensures that recovery efforts target real problems instead of imagined ones. 3. Stop additional financial damage. After assessing the situation, the next priority is preventing further losses. Stop discretionary spending, pause unnecessary subscriptions, and halt high-risk investments. Beginners often try to fix fast by taking additional loans or making risky financial moves, which usually worsens the situation. Identify areas where money continues to leak due to habits, obligations, or automatic payments. AI tools can highlight recurring charges, optimize cash flow, and enforce spending limits. By stopping the financial bleeding immediately, you preserve existing resources for strategic recovery. This containment is critical. It prevents a single mistake from spiraling into long-term financial instability. 4. Build a recovery budget. A recovery-specific budget differs from a regular one. It focuses on prioritizing essentials, debt repayment, and rebuilding savings while temporarily limiting discretionary spending. Beginners often try to maintain their previous lifestyle, which slows recovery. Allocate income first to obligations created by the bad decision, such as loan payments or emergency repairs, and then to rebuilding savings or investments. Automation can reinforce discipline, schedule transfers for essential payments, and restrict discretionary funds. A well-structured recovery budget provides clarity, reduces stress, and ensures that every rupee is strategically applied toward reversing the financial setback. 5. Address debt strategically. If your setback created new debt, handling it efficiently is critical. Identify high-interest obligations and prioritize them for early repayment, while making minimum payments on lower-interest debts. Beginners often focus on small, visible debts for psychological comfort, which can extend overall repayment and increase interest costs. AI-driven tools can calculate optimal repayment sequences, track progress, and simulate payoff timelines. Consolidation or refinancing may also be viable if it reduces interest or simplifies repayment. Managing debt strategically preserves cash flow, accelerates recovery, and prevents further financial stress from compounding interest. 6. Rebuild an emergency fund. A bad financial decision often exposes the absence of a safety net. Beginners frequently recover slowly because they continue living without an emergency fund. Even small, consistent contributions, automated weekly or monthly, can rebuild reserves. AI apps can track progress, suggest optimal saving rates, and adjust contributions based on income. A replenished emergency fund provides security, prevents reliance on high-interest loans in future crises, and reduces anxiety. Recovery isn't just about replacing lost money. It's about building resilience against future mistakes. Establishing this safety net ensures setbacks don't derail long-term financial goals. 7. Explore additional income sources. Recovering from a financial setback is faster with extra income streams. Beginners often rely solely on existing salary, which slows progress. Consider freelance work, digital products, AI-powered services, or small side businesses to generate additional cash. Even modest, consistent income can accelerate debt repayment and savings rebuilding. AI tools can assist in content creation, marketing, automation, and task management, making additional income more efficient. Diversifying revenue provides flexibility, reduces reliance on a single paycheck, and reinforces recovery efforts. Integrating new income strategically ensures that it directly supports obligations created by the setback, speeding the return to financial stability. 8. Learn from the mistake without fear. A critical step in recovery is extracting lessons from the financial mistake. Analyze what went wrong. Poor research, impulsive decision-making, over-leverage, or emotional spending. Beginners often avoid this step due to embarrassment, which increases the likelihood of repeating the same mistake. Document the lessons, implement rules for future decisions, and create systems to prevent recurrence. Track cash flow, automate savings, maintain a diversified income, manage debt, and regularly review progress. Beginners often see recovery as temporary, reverting to risky habits after immediate problems are solved. Resilient financial structures prevent repeated mistakes. AI-powered dashboards, automated payments, and goal tracking provide ongoing support, ensuring discipline persists even under changing circumstances. Recovery is not just restoring lost money, it's building a financial system that is stronger, smarter, and resistant to future shocks. With structured action, one bad decision becomes a catalyst for long-term financial improvement. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.